Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an account in PowerDirector. PowerDirector allows users to edit video professionally on mobile or PC. To access full features like premium templates, stock media and project backup, you'll need to create a Cyberlink account inside the app. So first of all, open to your PowerDirector app on your device. And once you get into this interface, tap on the three-line icon in the top left. And over here you need to go to this user sign in the bottom. So after that, once you get into this interface of a sign in, you can click onto the sign up on the bottom again. And over here, type down your email and your password as well. And click onto the sign up after you're done. And that is it. Creating an account in PowerDirector is quick and unlock all the full potential of the app. Once signed in, you can edit, save, and access your project more efficiently across the devices. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.